Secure Boot is a BIOS security feature that helps protect the system by allowing only trusted software to run during startup. In some cases, it may need to be disabled for certain software to work properly. This video shows how to enable or disable Secure Boot on ASUS laptops and how to fix the not active status. Start by completely powering off your device. Then, hold F2 and press the power button to enter BIOS. Once inside BIOS, switch to Advanced Mode with F7, and you'll find Secure Boot under the Security tab. From there, Secure Boot Control can be set to enabled to activate it, or disabled to turn it off. After making changes, press F10 to save and exit. If Secure Boot shows as not active, enable Secure Boot Control. Then enter Expert Key Management and reset to Setup mode. Confirm the deletion of all Secure Boot key databases. Then choose Restore Factory Keys and save the changes. Now you know how to manage Secure Boot to help keep your PC protected at startup. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel, like the video, or leave comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.